Hello there. In this video, we'll have a quick look at a 2022 Peugeot 308. Now, the particular car we have in this video is a 308 SW Allure Premium Hybrid. It has a 1.6 litre turbocharged petrol engine and an electric motor that in total produce 180 horsepower. That's good enough for 0 to 62 miles per hour in 7.7 seconds. This car also has 8-speed automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and is finished in elixir red, which I think looks rather splendid. Okay, let's have a quick look at the interior, and as you can see, the steering wheel is flat at the top and indeed the bottom down there. Various buttons, of course, as you would expect. Now, you start this car via this button down there, so when I press that, the dashboard lights up, and as you can see, it's all digital and very modern looking. You select the gears here with this little toggle switch, so move it down like that, and it goes into drive, and up like that for reverse. There's the P for park. This is an automatic, of course. The handbrake is operated via this little lever here. Bit of storage, a couple of cup holders. Seats, well, they're quite nice. They're sort of two-tone. They are comfortable. Let's have a look in the glove box. Plenty of space in there. Big screen in the centre of the dashboard with the obligatory warning to check the surroundings, as if you wouldn't. And let's just have a quick look at the back seat. Yeah, all very nice. Okay, let's go for a very quick test drive. So into drive on the automatic gearbox. Better put my glasses on. And off we go. Now, stop beeping. The first thing I noticed is that rear visibility isn't particularly good. Those C-pillars are quite intrusive. Not so bad at the front. These aren't particularly in the way. The steering is certainly on the light side, but it's quite responsive. Car goes where you point it. Now we need to get out onto this 50-mile-an-hour road now. All clear, off we go. Let's accelerate hard. 30, 40, 50, so reasonable acceleration, all you need really, but it's certainly not blisteringly quick. Yeah, I quite like it. My view of the speedometer down there on the dashboard is blocked slightly by the top of the steering wheel, but that's probably just because I need to adjust it slightly. I haven't got time to mess about too much. So let's accelerate hard through this corner. Yep, the car stays very composed. Does feel very slightly twitchy on the suspension, considering how smooth this road is, but nonetheless the ride's still decent. So overall, my first impression is that this is a good long distance cruiser for sitting on the motorway, and the handling is good enough to chuck it confidently through corners if you feel so inclined. Under the railway bridge with some twisty corners. Ooh, whee! As for standard equipment, this particular model has automatic emergency braking, which helps you either avoid a collision or, at the very least, mitigate its severity. The system brakes on your behalf if you fail to react to a hazard ahead, such as a pedestrian, a cyclist, or a slower moving vehicle. This model also has Bluetooth, so you can connect your phone wirelessly, sat-nav, and parking sensors at the front and rear that make it easier to manoeuvre in tight spots. So there you go. There's a quick look at a 2022 Peugeot 308. Now, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Farewell!